Dad, we need to go back. They're waiting for us.
Go ahead, yeah. I'll be there in a minute.
Fine, but don't take too long.
It was always fun to come to the cabin in summer. The last time we were here, none of us wanted to leave. I remember Emma's face when she saw this place for the last time. I remember her face so well. Before Laura passed away, she promised Emma that one day we would have our own cabin. But some dreams don't come true, do they? Life isn't fair.
What's wrong?
There's nothing wrong, I just don't want to do it.
Dad, it's a lake. Are you afraid of a lake?
No, it's only that I don't like what I can't see. I can't see what's under the water.
In other words, you're afraid of a lake.
Alright, I'm afraid of a lake.
Gosh, you're even worse than Tom.
Who's Tom?
Nobody, just a friend.
Oh.
Yeah, some girls and I were thinking about going to his beach house this summer.
You're not going.
Wait, what?
Look, you're 16 and I don't know that boy. I'm telling you that you're not going, Emma, and that's the end of it.
That's not fair. You can tell me what to do. You're not my boyfriend.
That family, they just wanted some help, but Christian realized if he had let that child in, who knows how much time he would have survived. It was obvious he had fever. His brother and his parents were okay, but he could be infected. What else could it be? He did it for the group. He threatened them with the rifle. I was too scared. I never liked the idea of not having curtains. The sun woke me up every morning. We should have covered the windows with something. Maybe that's why they saw the light when Emma lit that fire. Stupid girl. Laura spent weeks looking for the perfect birthday gift for Emma. Our little girl. She was turning 16 so fast. She always knew how to make her happy. I must say I wasn't so good at that. Actually, I was never good with women. Except for Laura. Everything was different with her. We didn't find out what had happened until a couple of days later. Coming with Christian and Sarah to the cabin was always an adventure. A time to relax. Boys and girls. Since Emma was born, it was clear to me that it would be a fantastic topic to become the evil and controlling father. Everything would have been so much easier with a boy. Sure, son, go and fuck loads of girls. The more the better. What a rotten world. Who would steal the wheels of a car after the world's end? You're not real. You're not real. Here we found the first body, the child with fever. I imagine that they were hiding nearby until the fever killed him. The other ones were several miles down the mountain, and it was Christian's wife Sarah who saw them, or what the animals had left of them. The rest of us preferred not to look. What a dump. It's hard to believe that once this was a nice place to live in. Nothing fancy, just nice. Fuck, how do I get in? Motherfuckers. When Laura was pregnant, we used to sit here for hours. We dreamed about the things we were going to do when Emma was born. Travel, celebrate things. Just life. We were so naive. Laura used to love the sweets from this shelf. Emma hated them. What kind of kid doesn't like sweets? I doubt there's any money left inside. Not like it would be useful anyway. Empty. Shit. Locked. This must open something. Hello? Look, I don't want any trouble. Just show yourself or go away. I'm paranoid. Locked. I still remember the owner of this place. A lonely old man who didn't seem to like anyone. I guess the store was ransacked at the very beginning of the epidemic. Poor man. Laura and I thought that living at number 12 would bring us luck. It was our special number after all. Christian and Sarah were always good neighbors. Not so good people, but who am I to talk? In any case, what happened to them was not my fault. When we returned, they were the ones who distanced themselves from us. I just wanted our normal life back. It's not easy to describe what it feels like to discover that your world is over. That mix of fear and anger. Now it's more like a reminder stuck on the wall. Like, don't forget to do your laundry. I didn't expect it. That day I was going to a gas station to see if I could find something to eat. And then I saw them at the bottom of the cliff. All of them dead with my car. Perhaps you can call it karma. But then I don't understand why I wasn't the one down there dead. At least it gave me the confidence I needed to return. I wonder if there's any football tonight. I don't want to visit the neighbors and ask for sugar. Who used to live there? I can't remember anymore. I knew that bastard. Those assholes took everything. Why would anyone want all this useless crap? My little girl was so adorable. When she was only 5 years old, she already knew how to start a conversation with an adult, still keeping that little child touch that made her lovely. I imagine that at first they're all so innocent and endearing. But then they grow. They grow and become ungrateful teenagers who don't care that you've devoted every second of your life to raise them. You wanted to party? You wanted to grow up? Well, you had it coming, Emma. You did. You sure did. You deserved it. How can I say such things of my own daughter? Damn, it wasn't your fault. It wasn't your fault, but mine. Only mine. Christian. Christian, what are you doing? Emma.
Leave me alone.
Emma, you can't be like this forever. Not because of them.
It's your fault. He's dead because of you. I wish you were dead instead.
The gun. I need the gun. Why did I hide it back there? Open yourself, damn it! They shot themselves. Or maybe he killed her and then committed suicide. Who wouldn't have thought of doing something like that? Actually, I thought it myself several times before the infection. His wife was unbearable. Don't step on my lawn. Don't walk on the carpet. It's understandable that they could not keep up a normal life after the fucking apocalypse. Christian bought this for his wife on the 3rd anniversary. They organized a huge overbearing party in one of those events that just say, "We are married, we're happy, and our life is perfect." Ah, disgusting. Well, look at that. I hate these sofas. Wherever you look in this goddamn city, in every home there's one of these and they're horrible. It's still here. If only I had kept it at home. I hate these sofas. Wherever you look in this goddamn city, in every home there's one of these and they're horrible. It was Emma who suffered the most after the selfishness of these bastards. She began to blame me for not being enough support to them, for leaving them aside. but they isolated their fucking selves. They didn't deserve any of my time.
Morning, Dad. Where have you been?
Whoa, what is this?
What? What do you mean?
This is not real. Not real. This is just a memory.
I don't follow you. Anyway, don't be so depressed on your birthday. Come on, Dad. Don't be so serious. I know. I'll give you your birthday present. But first, I need you to promise me something. You'll see, I know that recently we haven't been as close as we used to be, and... well, I just want you to know that I love you, Dad. A lot. I will always be by your side. You'll be there too, right? Promise?
Of course I will, Emma. We will always be together.
Then come. I want to show you your present.
Emma, are you alright?
Well, Dad, why don't you answer yourself? After all, you killed me. It's time for you to accept what you did. Coward.
Hey, Dad. We already thought you were never going to show up. You wouldn't want to miss your little girl's party, would you?
What do you want from us?
No. It's not about what we want. You see, I am a respectful person and I could never touch a girl without the blessing of her father. But we have not met anyone for a long time and, you know, a man has to satisfy his own needs. So you have two options. You answer what I want to hear and you leave, or you force me to get you out of the way. You know, without the parent there's no one to ask for permission, so...
Please don't do this. Please.
Well, so what's your answer?
Do what you want with her. But please, please let me go. Let me go, please.
What?